The concepts of vampires and werewolves, deeply ingrained in European folklore, are far more complex than modern popular culture often portrays. Their events in European history aren't so much singular occurrences as they are periods of widespread belief, hysteria, and sometimes brutal persecution, often fueled by misunderstanding, disease, and social anxieties. The vampire epidemics. The modern concept of the vampire, particularly the blood-drinking undead creature, largely solidified in 8th century Central and Eastern Europe. While precursors existed in ancient cultures, the term vampire itself gained widespread currency during this period, notably from the Sabaean word vampire. Key aspects of vampire events in Europe. Sitara origins in Slavic folklore. Belief in revenants, reanimated corpses who could harm the living was common in Slavic cultures long before the 8th century. These entities were known by various regional names like Strigoi, Romania, Vrikolakas, Greece, and Apia, Slavic. Sitara the Great Vampire Epidemic 172 से 170. This was the most significant period of vampire hysteria. It primarily gripped the eastern and southern territories of the Austrian Empire, present-day Serbia, Romania, etc. Sitara catalyst cases, well-documented cases like that of Peter Blagojevich, 1725 in Kisiljevo, Serbia, and Arnold Pol 172 से 172 in Medveda, Serbia, fueled the panic. In these instances, a person would die, and then a series of inexplicable deaths or illnesses would follow in the community. Villagers would attribute these deaths to the recently deceased returning as vampires. Sitara misinterpretation of decomposition. A major factor was the poor understanding of human decomposition. Bodies exhumed weeks or months after burial could appear remarkably fresh due to cold temperatures slowing decay. Natural processes like bloating, fluid expulsion, often mistaken for blood, and hair, nail growth were misinterpreted as signs of continued life or vampiric activity. Sitara exhumations and rituals. To combat the perceived threat, villagers would exhume suspected vampire corpses. They would often perform rituals like staking the body, especially through the heart decapitation, or burning to ensure the vampire was truly dead. Sitara spread to Western Europe. Austrian government officials and soldiers observing these practices brought reports back to Vienna, and from there, the stories spread to Western European intellectual circles, sparking debate and fascination. This helped popularize the term vampire in German, French, and English. Sitara disease is a factor, while not directly a vampire cause. Real diseases like plague, rabies, or pellagra, a vitamin deficiency disease, were epidemic during these periods. Without understanding their true causes, people often attributed unexplained deaths and illnesses to supernatural forces like vampires. The werewolf trials. Werewolf beliefs, or lycanthropy, also